Running your own business isn't easy. Everything is your responsibility and must be taken care of at once. While information technologies can help you tackle any business task, the last thing you want to be worrying about is IT security. This is why we created Kaspersky Small Office Security. It combines the simplicity of home PC protection with a host of special features to help you keep your business safe at all times. It's easy to use, no admin skills required. Just download and install the security application on all of your company devices. That's it. Now all your computers, tablets, smartphones, and even your corporate file server are secure, protected against even the most advanced attacks, including ransomware. Kaspersky Small Office Security also stores your passwords safely, protects your online payments, and secures and stores your high-value files with file encryption and backup. Kaspersky Small Office Security works unobtrusively, which has been confirmed by our users and many independent tests. It automatically updates databases and protection components and won't distract your employees with false triggers. You can also use the web portal to monitor your protection status, manage the security of your entire business, install protection on the devices of new employees, and even lock lost mobile devices. Learn more about how Kaspersky Small Office Security can help you protect your business at kaspersky.com.